Hello and welcome back. If you're joining live or watching the replay, I'm Betty Rose Pradhan, founder of BBITS. Yesterday, we talked about IRS letters and how most of them start long before a return is filed. Today, we're talking about something many business owners struggle with, DIY bookkeeping, specifically when it stops saving money and starts costing you. Let's talk about it honestly. Why most business owners start DIY? Let's normalize this. Most business owners start DIY bookkeeping because they're bootstrapping, they want control, they're trying to save money. They don't yet understand the complexity. DIY bookkeeping isn't wrong. It's often necessary at the beginning. The issue isn't starting DIY, the issue is staying DIY too long. Be honest. Are you currently doing your own books? Type yes or no in the comments. What DIY bookkeeping can handle? DIY bookkeeping can work when you have low transaction volume, one bank account, no payroll, no contractors, simple income streams. At this stage, the goal is tracking, not strategy. But businesses don't stay simple forever. Growth changes the rules. Science DIY is costing you. Here are red flags I see often. You avoid looking at your books. Accounts aren't reconciled regularly. You guess expense categories. Reports don't make sense. Tax season feels chaotic. Your tax preparer asks many questions. You've received IRS notices. DIY bookkeeping often costs missed deductions, overpaid taxes, filing delays, stress, and rework. Saving money on bookkeeping can cost you far more in taxes and time. If bookkeeping feels stressful instead of helpful, type stress in the comments. The hidden cost of DIY. Let's talk about the hidden costs. DIY bookkeeping costs your time, your focus, your confidence. Time spent fixing books is time not spent growing your business. Mistakes don't show up immediately. They show up at tax time or when the IRS sends a letter. When professional bookkeeping makes sense. Professional support makes sense when your income has grown. You use multiple accounts, you pay contractors, you have payroll. You want clarity, not guesses. Bookkeeping isn't just data entry, it's compliance and protection. At this stage, professional support usually saves money. At BBITS, we support business owners at every stage of growth. We don't judge where you are. We help you move forward correctly. From cleanup to monthly bookkeeping to state tax readiness. If DIY bookkeeping feels overwhelming or tax season keeps surprising you, it may be time to reassess. DM me DIY or book a discovery call using the link in my bio. The right support brings clarity. Tomorrow, we'll talk about why tax planning isn't just for big businesses. Thank you for being here. I'll see you tomorrow.